Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials. Let me show you today quickly how to cut, copy and paste in Audacity. To cut, for example, something, select the part and hit Ctrl X and it will cut it. Or you can cut this ending over here. You can also do this if you select with the delete key. It's the same, but we have a problem. If you want to just cut middle part and you don't want, you can see it merges together. So you want to cut it like this. You want to select over here, right click, split clip, and select over here, split clip, and now you can delete this middle part without this thing, snapping to the other part. And to copy and paste, it's very simple. Select it, Ctrl C, position where you want to paste, and hit Ctrl V. Ctrl V. You can also paste into another track, and so on and so on. And this is it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Drop some likes, comments, and if you want, you can subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.